motherfucking planet Asia. Motherfucking doo-wop. Chemistry is immaculate, niggas. Based on a true story, right? With your popcorn ass niggas. Cinematic type shit. High definition Mars. You ready, nigga? Let's go.
I'm 3 times dope, Nicholas show. I bring the 5 grand to stand and hold a boombox in my show. On my satellite radio flow. Battle mic, tabernacle, folk, pure coke, powder exposed. This is boxing, repetitive training, physically straining, blade oxen. Mentally gaining the range topics, imported cheese from the out. Melting in your mouth, black belter, helter skelter, full clothing and shelter. Immortal blood, Henrietta Slack, season of the Mac. Eat Twizzy meat, greasy off the rack, flambeezy. 4-finger ring me and give to the needy. The fruit of my own thinking African Kiwi. My real niggas still copy CDs. Taiwanese, Tahiti, Fiji, island trips I'm eating. Skeeting on heavens, your album can't fuck with the drinks on my record. Or the peoples I'm connected with. I'm harsher than a split mixed with Valley Shag. Friends with Cali, known for handicap with body bags. That's your chick, but I can probably bag. You fucking a soft when with the bitch wants to be tied gag. This is leather goose music. Front and get your tooth loose. Still holding deuce loose. Nigga, tooth moving. Full of the ice. Cooking on top.
Yo, indictment, Dominicans, Canal Street Africans. Running up on bootlegging cowards with the Vatican. Mixtape trafficking.